Hey guys, I got my Veloster. It's in park. The brakes are not applied, but the brake lights stay on. You see that? So what we need to do is start to look at a switch that's underneath the brake pedal. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the car and get you guys in there underneath the seat and show you what it is. Okay, this is the brake pedal, and we're looking up here to this switch. Let me try to switch hands. This switch here. So you see there? Let me see if I can. You see this thing here? This has to move the switch all the way down for your lights to turn on. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to put maybe a bolt in there to keep that switch up right there. So give me a second. I'm gonna turn off the camera and let me see if I can get that installed, and then I'll bring you guys back in and see if that works. This switch has to go all the way in for your brake lights to turn off. So obviously it's not doing anything. When you see that there, so we need to fix that. Okay guys, I did put a screw there. Now it does, as you can see, it does hold the switch down, and I'm hoping that that will turn off the brake lights. And if they do, I'll put a bolt at the back end of that screw and we'll be done. Let's check it out. Brake lights are now turned off. Oh, I got the turn signal on. Let me fix that. Totally fixed it, guys.